Turn up the music cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down.
Wait, did you hear that? No? Wait, stop. Did you hear that? No? It must have been Cecil. Cecil! Cecil? Cecil, you're a big fathead! Yeah! Wait, I don't think that was Cecil, because he's not behind us anymore. Okay, come on.
It might just be my costume.
Yeah, probably.
Be my costume.
Every time it stops. Run, Scout! Run! Run, Scout, run! Ah! Jem! Jem, are you okay? Jem! Jem! Are you okay? Jem! Where are you?
Where is the moment we needed the most? You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. And tell me your blue skies fade to gray, and tell me your passion's gone away, and I don't need no carrying on. You stand in the line just to hit a new low. You're faking a smile with the coffee to go. And tell me your life's been way offline. You fall into pieces every time, and I don't need no carrying on. Cause you had a bad day, you're taking one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You're working a smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad day, the camera don't lie. You're coming back down and you really don't mind. You had a bad day. You had a bad day.
Jem, come in! Jem! Are you okay? Is he okay? Jem, are you... Jem! Oh, Jem, oh God, please. Jem, what has happened? Jem, what has happened? Oh no, get off! Get off, you crazy! Jem, are you okay? Oh no. Jem, wait for me. Jem. There you are! Come in!
Atticus Finch, my children have been attacked. I need you to go out and see if he's still there, please. I've got to stay with Jem.
Jem! Jeremy! Jem! Jem? Jeremy? Jem! Jem, are you home? Jeremy! Okay. No.
Jem, please! Jem, please button your shirt faster, Jem! Jem, faster! Faster! Boo is gonna catch us, Jem! Jem, faster, button your shirt faster! Good day.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge my milkshake. Dead wrong. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Jem.
Looking at me like I have an attitude, but I don't.
Oh!
Just because I'm...
Why are you so obsessed with me?
Just because I look like a guy doesn't mean...
You can't put your collar down, Jem.
Yes,